All right, y'all, so I'm back with another video, and as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be reviewing and unboxing my brand new ring light. I am so excited because the one that I have currently is not doing what it needs to do, not giving what it's supposed to give. So yeah, I had to go onto Amazon and buy me a new ring light. So your girl about to unbox it, and you guys are gonna do it with me. Okay, so I'm dressed and ready to go to the gym, but I thought, why not go ahead and record this video since I just got my ring light in. So excited. So it's from Amazon, like I said, and it is the 18-inch ring light, and I got it for about $60 from, I believe it's called Ivisii. I really don't know how to say it, but I'll leave some information about it in my description of this video. But yes, so excited. Okay, comes in my bag. Alright, y'all, fancy. Looks like some more stuff in this box. And it looks like this is a tripod. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the tripod. I've been needing to get a new ring light for a while now because the one I have is like 10 inches. So my video cut off, but like I was saying, I've been needing to get a new ring light for a while now because the one I have is only like 8 or 10 inches. And it don't be doing what it's supposed to do, so now. But yeah, I'm doing the tripod now. I'm gonna see how tall this gets because I really need one that gets taller than the one I have. Okay, so it's about my height. Not bad. Oh, wait. It gets taller. Oh yeah, y'all. This is the one. This is the one right here. So now let's actually get to the ring light. They so fancy. Look at this. It's so fancy and stuff. All right, so this up. I like this bag, and it's like sturdy and everything. Okay, so this is how the ring light came. In a lot of the videos that I've seen on the reviews of the ring light and everything, they have to actually put it together, but it came put together in this bag, so that's good. All right. So they have this box, which looks like, okay, they have the charger in it for the ring light to like power it on and everything. This is one of the things that goes on there. Another one of those. The holders. Oh, this is a big holder, like for an iPad or something. Nice. So they got the phone holders and the camera holder and the iPad holder. That's good. And then they give you a bag to store it in. That's good because I mean they already gave me this fancy other bag, so. All right, so into instructions. So this is the user manual. Let's see what it's talking about so we can put this thing together. Okay, y'all. So the manual does not give you any directions on how to put it together or anything. It's basically just saying how to turn on the ring light, press the power switch to the adapter mode, and then the light will turn on. Plug the adapter mode into the socket. That's common sense, we know that, right? After turning on, the ring light will start to work with the brightness and color temperature setting, which is saved last time. Brightness adjustment and dual color temperature switch. This is, so I'm just supposed to figure out how to put this together. Okay, because this ain't helping nobody either. All this showing me is how to put the tripod up there. So let's just see if it's easier than what it seems because the directions are trash. Okay. So actually lower this since I've already showed you guys how tall it actually comes. So we're gonna put the ring light on here. Okay. So this is what it looks like. So I'm guessing I'm supposed to just unscrew this a little bit and put this on here. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Hold on.
A few moments later.
All right. So let's try this again. I didn't have the tripod secure and tightened, so put this on here. Then I'm just gonna tighten this knob up. Okay, okay. We'll wobbly with another. So there's another knob. I'm guessing that is what helps tighten that up. Okay, now it's sturdy. All right. So on the back of the ring light, there's a power switch for on and off. No, off is in the middle. So I'm guessing this power switch, this is with the plug-in on one side and the other one is like battery charged. So that's good that you don't always have to use the outlet. So that's good. All you gotta do is charge the battery. That's a pro. The instructions missing, that's a con. Okay. And then it looked like this might be the brightness thing that they were talking about because it has a dial to turn it all the way up and turn it all the way down. Okay, I'm getting you. I'm guessing the battery goes here. Okay. Okay, just gotta figure this out myself, I see. All right, so what else do we have? What do we have? I sure don't see no batteries. That's what I don't see. But just gonna use this adapter, see what it's talking about. All right. Okay. Turn this around for you guys. Okay. So I'm gonna put this in here. Okay, and I got a socket right here, so I'm just gonna plug it in. Okay, so I got it plugged in. It's still on off, but I just wanna look at these instructions real quick to see if it tells me anything, you know? Anything. Anything to help at this point. Y'all help me. Talking about some, please read the manual carefully. You ain't saying nothing here. All it's doing is giving me 2 pages in different languages. Okay, y'all, so this is the thing. It says battery mode. Insert 2 pieces of Sony series batteries and press the power button to turn into battery mode and then turn on the light. It obviously doesn't come with that, so I'm guessing that it's an option that you could do, go buy the batteries and then put them in there because it doesn't come with that. Like those 2 spots that I was talking about right here and here for a battery is not included, but the adapter is, which is fine. And I don't see myself going to buy 2 Sony batteries, so the adapter would have to do. So I'm gonna turn it on. Okay. There's a mode. Let's turn the dial up, see what it's talking about. Okay. Oh, don't hurt him. Don't hurt him. Okay. This is bright, y'all. I'm gonna stay back here. Let me turn that back down. This is bright. This is so much brighter than my other one. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, y'all, for real. Because this is so much brighter than my other one. But I still got to figure out where to put these pieces, you know? So I'm definitely going to put a review on this and say that the light was great, but they need instructions. But let's see here. Okay, these 3 spots. I'm a genius. I'm gonna figure this out, with directions or not, okay? So these 3 slots right here, I'm guessing these slide into them, you know? Let's see. Well, that one definitely don't fit there. Oh, let me see. Okay, gotcha. Oh, yep, that's what it is. Okay. So I really don't know which one goes into which, but I'm just gonna slide them in there. Period. So I definitely will put this one in the middle because I would want my camera to be like right in the middle. But honestly, it doesn't say which one goes with which one or anything like that. So it's basically a guessing game. But we're gonna figure it out together. So I'm definitely not gonna be using right now the iPad one. So I'm gonna hook up the camera one here. Okay. Or at least I'm gonna try to. Looking at my other one to see how this works. Hey, really though, this supplier said figure that shit out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and switch the ring lights, and I'm gonna show y'all my other one. And I'm actually gonna have my camera on this one to show y'all how much better the video quality is. So let's do it. Y'all, so this is my other ring light. And as you can see, the quality of the video, as far as like the brightness and everything, looks way better than it did with this one. So I'm just setting this one up to show y'all how tall it is compared to the one that I have now. I'm moving on up in the YouTube game. All right, so this is where this one goes to me. Not compared to the new one, okay? The new one is over 6 foot, okay? This one is like 5 foot, okay? Upgrade your ring light. So this is how it looks when it's turned on. The good thing about it is, compared to this one, the one that I have now is like a color temperature one, which you can dim it, turn it up, whatever you want to do. But this one, you can dim it and you can turn it up. That's as high as this go. And you can actually turn it to different settings, different color settings. 3 different settings. But the one I have now, I don't think it turns to any different color settings or anything. There's not really a button that shows that. But just on this setting, it's giving what it's supposed to give. So yeah, you guys, if you like this ring light, I'll go ahead and put everything down below in the description. Definitely go to Amazon, check it out. I got mine under the lightning deal, which made it around $65. So originally it's $79.99. Catch it on sale, sis. On sale. But yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment on this video, and subscribe so you can catch me in the next video, because the house videos are about to be bomb because we got a new ring light. The ring light. Get this ring light. Get this ring light. Get this ring light. It's the ring light for me, sis.